So this is our seed time layout. I wanted to show you. These over here on the left are all of the crops we're going to be growing. Obviously there's going to be different types of bell pepper and carrots and cauliflower, but I just like to set it up as one, because I haven't taken the time to go in and type in all of our varieties. There are a ton of preloaded varieties already, but I think this is good enough for us. Go over to our layout. This is what our garden looks like. And as of today's date, this is what's supposed to be planted. We haven't planted the potatoes over here because we still haven't made up our mind if we want to plant them there or not. So I am going to navigate out a week from today. Today's actually the 30th. There we go. Doesn't look like anything new was planted that week, or that week, or that week. So we don't have any planting to do. Oh, here we go. Okay, so it looks like cauliflower is going in and green beans are going in here in about a month. So technically for today, oh, the garlic disappeared. Garlic's still there. This is what this is supposed to look like outside of this right here, because we're still not sure if we're going to plant those or not. I think I want to throw some, maybe even just do half. Here, let's edit this to half. We'll put it in the front of the bed because we're going to have a ton of peppers and tomatoes left over. So maybe we'll throw some potatoes in there. So this is our layout. It is very easy to manipulate. Let's go back to the calendar. And so this is, let's go to the next month. Here's April. So here's what we need to do in April. We're going to be seeding seeds next week. And then the following week, we're going to do some more seeding. And then some more seeding. Then we're going to direct sow green beans later. And we're going to be transplanting all those cucumbers and cauliflower. And we're going to start harvesting spinach as long as that stuff pops up. So this is how easy your tasks are written out here. You can put your journal in here, and it's really awesome. And I will drop a link in the description so you can join Seed Time as well. I hope you enjoy this quick little tour. It's really easy to use. So, all right, there you go.